Very good evening to all the participants, IET members, non-members, and most importantly, our guest speaker, Engineer Manju Nishankar. I am Dr. Lalit Liyanage, Chairman, IET Sri Lanka Network, and this is our third webinar for the 2021 session. We have selected a very interesting topic for today's webinar, that is navigating the crypto landscape. This is the first time that IET Sri Lanka Network has arranged a knowledge sharing session on this subject. Although we have touched upon the IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, 3D printing, etc., all new technologies, but first time, particularly the cryptocurrency matter is discussed today by IET Sri Lanka Network. There can be many questions coming to a layman's head with this new phenomenon, because we have been used to the currency notes, currency coins, and checks, bank notes, etc. But this is something new. So we are going to learn what is this. So some of the questions you might have, and a layman might have, is what is this crypto landscape, first of all? Then what is electronic cash? Also, how this is different to currency coins and notes? What is the bank's role with regard to electronic cash, right? We are so used to do banking, right? With rupees, dollars, whatever currency. Then how purchases can be done using this cryptocurrency? And what happens to international exchanges with all these central bank rulings, right? We all know there are central bank ruling for international exchange of funds. And what will happen to them, right, with this virtual currency? Then how about security of our transactions, right? And what will happen to our virtual bank account if suddenly someone has, crashed into it? And if something goes wrong in terms of fraud, who will help us, right? Whether the traditional, conventional law enforcement agencies can intervene, whether we can go and complain, whether there are, whether such things can happen on this cryptocurrency in this virtual world, right? And how the landscape of international trade will change due to this cryptocurrency. And what is the penetration or adoption of cryptocurrency in the world today, right? So there are many things which comes to our minds, right? So there are many types of cryptocurrencies, most familiar being the Bitcoin, which was, I think, introduced by the famous Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. That was the first time we came to know about this technology, which is blockchain technology, with the introduction of Bitcoin. Now there are many types of cryptocurrencies. I was also invited by a couple of friends recently into a couple of networks. One is P network, PI network, and another one is initiative Q initiative. So there are cryptocurrencies called P, PI, or Q. So I'm also kind of exploring what this is and how I can benefit, or what I can know about this. So since we are not much familiar with these cryptocurrencies and what we can do online with these currencies, we have heard about deep net the dark net, the things are happening under the not the basic internet, but deep net and dark net. So is this cryptocurrency is something like that? So we can get to know all about these things through our expert, who is engineer Manju Nishanka, who has vast amount of experience in this landscape. That's why we have selected him for this particular subject. So we will be able to clear all our doubts, all our questions in our minds through this presentation. So let me introduce Manju. I first came to know Manju last year. Manju was organizing a big symposium in Sri Lanka on AI, robotics, AI, and some other latest technologies. And Manju wanted to get some help, or collaborate with IET Sri Lanka network. So we were having discussions. Unfortunately, this COVID pandemic came in, and we couldn't work on that. But hopefully, if things go better, in this year we will be able to do it, right? So Engineer Manju Nishanka, who is the founding partner and CEO of KRMG Capital in New York, USA. He's a senior policy advisor at the moment to the State Minister of Urban Development of Sri Lanka, where I think Dr. Nalaka Godeheva is the minister. And he's a founding partner and CEO of KRMG Capital, and then former investment banker of debt capital markets in Bank of America Merrill Lynch, that is also USA and UK. He's an entrepreneurial-driven senior executive. He's a board member and engineer with hands-on experience in public policy advisory, investment banking, capital markets, and disruptive technologies across the US, Europe, and mainland China regions. He currently serves as a senior policy advisor to the State Ministry of Urban Development, Sri Lanka, focusing on sustainable urban developments, including smart cities initiatives and human capital development through community empowerment in Sri Lanka. He is the founding partner and CEO of KRMG Capital, New York-based private equity fund manager, committed to delivering capital investments, client-centric strategies, and tools for disruptive technology startups. He formed 2 separate funds for KRMG Capital within 16 months, total gross into $350 million US. Prior to that, he was a vice president of energy and technology investment banking groups at Bank of America Merrill Lynch Corporation, responsible for originating and executing highly complex structured and derivative transactions valued up to $12 billion US. So you know why we have selected Manju for this particular subject. He's a mix of engineering and finance, especially latest technologies which is used in finance. Manju is an advisor and board member to 10 plus startups in the US and currently serves on the board of directors of NYU Blockchain at NYU Stern Business School, New York. He's also a public keynote speaker for various disruptive technologies related international conferences held in USA, UK, Malta, South Korea, France, China, Hong Kong, and Singapore. Manju has obtained his Global Executive MBA at TRIUM, NYU Stern Business School in New York City, London School of Economics, London, HEC Business School, Paris. He received his master's degree in project management, finance, and risk from City University, London, and obtained his bachelor's degree in civil engineering from University of Morato in Sri Lanka. So Manju is a dual citizenship holder and currently lives in Colombo and New York. So with this very elegant profile, let me welcome. And first of all, I must thank Manju for accepting my invitation. And I know he has come out of his board meeting today for this webinar. The board meeting normally, he said, normally goes till 7:30, but I somehow managed to get him out of his board meeting. Thanks for the commitment. And now I invite Manju to start your presentation. And the game plan is we will all switch off our mics and videos. Only Manju will switch on his mic and video during the presentation. At the end, we can start Q&A session, and I invite all the participants to raise your questions on the chat box so that I will take all the questions one by one after Manju's presentation. So once again, welcome Manju on behalf of IET Sri Lanka Network, and I welcome again all the participants who joined a little later. And over to you, Manju.